Hello, Facebook Nation, and hello, world. This is your coach, Romeo Rovillos, or mentor Rome for short. We'll be doing this video quickly kasi I'm not feeling well. Baka ubuan kayo ng ubuhan, so I wanted to be cautious about it. Alright? So, right now, from the previous videos that we guys have, we've discussed about how to transfer codes, how to activate 7 accounts and 3 accounts, or upgrading the 3 accounts to 7 accounts. Today guys, ipapakita naman natin yung pag-activate ng 15 accounts. Alright? Everyone excited about it? If you are excited, then hit like and subscribe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And the account that we will be activating is username journeyman1026, and that's under Mr. Alfredo Laza. Alright, this is him, and we will be connecting it to the account of Miss Chessa Molina, kasi they share the same interest. Dapat kasi iisipin mo that they can work together if they have or they share common interests. And as we all know, Miss Chessa Molina and Alfredo Laza is into affiliate marketing. So kapag may knowledge na sila about affiliate marketing, and kapag may common interest sila, the more na magkakaroon sila ng good working relationship. Right? So there you go, guys. Let me just go ahead and activate the account of Mr. Alfredo Laza. We already transferred the 15 codes kasi nga 15 accounts yung kinuha ni Mr. Alfredo Laza. Alright? Sorry about the tissue, guys, ha? Kasi I'm not feeling well talaga. I would just like to make sure na you are guided on how to activate an account as well. Okay? There you go, guys. So we will be picking code. So kung makikita nyo, 15 codes yan. There 15. Position is left. Placement. Yung account ni Ms. Chessa, yung sa second account niya, kinopya ko na yun. There. Itatype ko lang siya. There you go. There. So, account name naman ni Mr. Alfredo Laza, kahit na ano naman yan, guys, you can put his username para alam yung siya yon, and then lagyan nyo lang ng number sa dulo, like 001. Ngayon, guys, ipopost ko lang, ha, kasi ilalagay natin yung pin ni Mr. Alfredo Laza. There you go, guys. So we have successfully added a new account for Mr. Alfredo Laza. So that's already 15 accounts, guys. And sa 15 accounts na yan, guys, of course, kikita na agad siya ng 7,600 na makikita natin dito siya sa dashboard niya, sa total earnings niya. So pag na-complete niya yung log in, log out niya, and then along with the total earnings na 6,100 with the sign-in rewards, magiging 7,600 yan. Alright? Now, kung naghahanap kayo, guys, ng active leader within Mandaluyong, we have Ms. Chessa Salas Molina. Okay? And then we also have Alfredo Batino Laza. He is from Silang Cavite, guys. Alright? So, kung naghahanap kayo ng active leader from Mandaluyong and then from Silang Cavite, just look for Alfredo Laza on Facebook. So ito yung name niya, ito yung face niya, and then Miss Chessa Salas naman, ito rin yung face niya, siya to, and then yung name niya, Chessa Salas Molina. Alright, guys, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe into my videos. Kung naghahanap din kayo ng active leader, Upline here on Facebook, here in Makati, you can just message me. I'll be leaving my Facebook account there down below para ma-message ako, guys. Alright? So that's all for now, guys. That's how you activate 15 accounts. And this is your coach, your mentor, Rome. Thank you guys for watching. Alright? Bye for now.